Hey guys, it's Evelyn again and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making orange butter and honey coated carrots. It's a side dish that's great for the holidays or any special occasion you might have. With the Christmas holidays coming up, let me show you how I made this incredibly delicious and super simple side dish. And it's ready in minutes for you, your family and friends to enjoy. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done that already and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment so I'll know what you think. Be sure to check out my other videos and thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.